Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on Android phone. So let's get into it. First of all, open your file manager on your Android phone, and this is my file manager, so just click on it. Then since we want to transfer data or transfer file from internal storage, we can click on internal storage right here. Then we can select the files that we want to transfer. And if you want to transfer all of your files, you just need to click on the folder. You just need to tap and hold on the folder, on the first folder, then you can select all right here. Alright, and after that we just need to click on move or copy. And for example, I'm going to select move, then just tap on move. Then we can go to the SD card, click on SD card right here. Then after that you just need to click on move here, and then your file will be moved from your internal storage to your SD card. Okay guys, and that's how we can transfer files to SD card. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.